Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by preparing the essentials and taking the first actionable steps. Open Wizz and sign in. Make sure your account is eligible for payments. Go to monetization or channel settings and enable Super Chat. This unlocks the feature immediately. Once enabled, link a payment method, add a card, connect PayPal, or fund your Wizz dollar balance. After that, return to a live stream. You're ready to pick a message amount and stand out in chat. You now craft the Super Chat itself. Select any active live stream and tap the Super Chat icon to open the purchase dialog. Choose an amount. The higher the value, the more prominent the color and duration. Use the preview to see placement. Type your message and check for length limits, then confirm. Once done, authorize payment. The message will pin or highlight according to the tier. Make sure to monitor how long it remains visible and act quickly if you need a change. You finish by verifying the transaction and handling any issues. After sending, check your receipts and transaction history so you know the exact charge. This helps with disputes. Monitor the chat to confirm visibility and timing, and if you need a follow-up message, choose a different amount or wording. If the Super Chat fails, retry the payment, confirm your card or PayPal balance, and clear the app cache. If problems persist, contact Wizz Support with your transaction ID for quicker.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.